Former Indiana sheriff connected to Jamey Noel is facing criminal charges tonight.
Kenneth Eubanks appeared in court today for the first time since his arrest. WLKY's Alexis Matthews joins us live with details on what he's accused of. Alexis?
Vicky Rick, Kenneth Eubanks' initial hearing today on a felony tax evasion charge lasted less than 10 minutes. And unlike some of the others whose criminal charges are directly related to Jamey Noel's corruption, that's not the case entirely for Eubanks. Former Scott County Sheriff Kenneth Eubanks, arrested April 17th, sat briefly in the same jail he ran back in 2018. And on Tuesday, he appeared before a judge in the Scott County Courthouse for a tax evasion charge. The level 6 felony carries a prison sentence up to 2.5 years.
Mr. Eubanks, but do you understand what you're charged with and what the potential penalties are?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Wren, am I to enter a not guilty plea at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eubanks, who was also a major at the Clark County Sheriff's Office and a jail corrections officer, is the 5th person tied to Jamey Noel, facing charges stemming from the corruption scandal investigation. But Eubanks' alleged crimes do not involve Noel, who is currently serving a 12-year prison sentence for stealing from fire and EMS agencies. Though investigators say Noel paid Eubanks over $280,000 with jail commissary fund money for questionable consultant services, and those 2018 commissary records are reportedly missing.
No, it appears that that is not part of the tax evasion, no.
But Special Prosecutor Rick Hurdle says there is probable cause for the charge. An affidavit alleges Eubanks and his wife, Lindy, filed false tax returns from 2019 to 2021. They did not pay sales tax on personal property they sold and did not report thousands of dollars in income. Eubanks is also accused of stealing over $145,000 from his godmother with dementia. He reportedly had power of attorney over her bank accounts. And Hurdle says Noel's investigation led them to uncover Eubanks' alleged wrongdoing.
I don't think that Kenneth Eubanks is on anyone's radar had it not been for the Jamey Noel investigation brought to the Indiana State Police and then ultimately brought to me.
Now, Alexis, where do things stand for Jamey Noel and his other co-defendants?
Well, Vicky, starting with the man at the center of all of this, Jamey Noel, as mentioned, he is serving a 12-year prison sentence, but currently underway are auction of his personal items to help pay for the nearly $3 million in restitution that he owes. Now, for his estranged wife, Misty Noel, she is due back in court next month, and both the defense and the prosecution hint that they will likely reach a plea deal. Now, Casey Noel pled guilty back in January and is serving 9 months at the Harrison County Detention Center, but she's expected to serve only half of that time. Now, Brittany Faree, the mother of Jamey Noel's child, struck a deal in February and was given 2 years probation. John Miller, who has filed several motions and appeals, some of which have been denied, others are still pending. He is scheduled to stand trial in October if he does not reach a deal before then. And of course, Kenneth Eubanks is out on a $5,000 bond, and he's due back in court in June. Live from Scott County, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.